It's day 28 of the July Self Reflections Challenge, and today's prompt is to draw your fridge with fridge magnets. I remember having so many fridge magnets on my mom's fridge back home that she finally got so fed up of them that she had to remove all of them and put it away on the side. So right now I have moved into our own place with my husband and baby. So currently the fridge magnets are very less. We keep exactly the ones that are needed, which hold a lot of space in our lives in terms of beautiful memories that we've created over the last few years. Let me know in the comment section what your fridge looks like and how many magnets do you have.